Hey guys, Tuesday, April 9th, 2024, U.S. session closed on nat gas. Let's see what happened while we were trading or doing whatever we were doing. So far, you can see this area is going to be a tough nut to crack, guys. Let me tell you right here, this is bear camp. This is all bear camp. I need to start putting my thing here for bear camp. But anyway, if we could penetrate there, obviously we're going to kiss this, what is this, $2. And if we could get up there, I got a price target of 232 to the upside. It might not get there quick, but if it continues grinding higher, sideways like this, that's going to be my target. I don't know when, but that's my price target to the upside. So now you know. In regards to volume, looks like the bulls have a little more edge. Monday they got it. Looks like today they're going to have it too, above the average, which is good. It's the 50 average. And the only thing that concerns me is the gap. But if it's not going to fill it now, then maybe we kiss there, go back and fill it, and maybe go up again, or maybe just continue grinding higher. Maybe test this high of 360. What is that? This is a 339. The 363 is the October 27 high. So maybe, you know, baby steps here, maybe pull back, and then eventually kiss that. And if we can manage to hold at least this 3 and change, maybe go to the October 27 363. But we'll take baby steps here in this camp. So far, MACD positive on the monthlies, looking good. PPS buy signal was coming off and on, so it's kind of weird. You'll see it, you know, maybe in another video, maybe tomorrow, it'll probably disappear. But if we close above and stay above 183, what's 83? Come on, you guys know. You guys are my followers here. What's 83? That's the 45 degree. We can stay above here. We'll be circling around here. And I prefer it up here than down here and going down this way. So remember that 183. And so far in the weekly, it's looking good. We have a PPS buy signal. MACD positive. Target 232. Linear regression channel slightly grinding and pointing up. And we already hit this pivot up here. Pierced it at 190 and kind of chopping around. And you know what 190 is. Come on now. 190 is the 90 degree on the square of 9. Strong resistance. Linear regression channel you want to keep an eye on in this $2 pivot. So pivot $2, 190 you got to keep an eye on. And so far looking good. MACD's positive now and above the 20, the 50, I believe the 100 is somewhere up here. Value area high of 215. So yeah, my target's even going to pass the value area high. So just remember, we're going to be entering the cloud. This is where wild volatility will kick in when you're here. So just be careful. I'm warning you. Once you get in the cloud, it gets a little crazy. Let's go to our 4 hour to kind of see what's going on here. You can see that volatility was crazy, but we held the 25% here, so that's good. I got this target up here and the 50. You can see that this 190 area was pretty strong. The bears are trying to show up and show their strength, but we so far pushing higher. And the trend line, you can see that from right here, it pierced it very high all the way to, what is it, 192, and then kind of pulled back there. I can't remember, is this scale or non? I'm just curious to see, where is it? Got so much stuff here. No, this is non-long scale. Let's see something here. Yeah, not that much difference. I'd like to see both, but we'll keep it off because that's my setting on that one. And lastly, the midpoint chart. As you can see, this is where the target is, and I have. You already know the April 22nd. Watch that for a possible turning point. So far, we're holding this pivot, which is the 185, and this is the 25%, or I guess the 75%, however you look at it, of 190. Next target will be 195, and on the weekly, you are doing good. As long as we can stay, man, above the 180, you are doing fabulous. Just buy the dips. This is a good dip. PPS buy signal on the 30-minute, and I was probably going to retest as 192 and 190. And if it pushes higher, next target would be 195 all the way to the $2 up there on the weekly. As long as we could hold this 180. And for tomorrow, well, we don't know the close yet for today. I'll do a video in the morning. But so far, it held here, this pivot low. We have a pivot of 187 and 190 up here. And you get maybe as of right now, 188 is your midpoint for tomorrow, but too early to tell. Targets it upside 192, 194, and 196. Remember 194? We'll keep an eye on that. So we went as high as 192 right here, very close to 194, April 14 low. If we could get above that, we could probably kiss 197. This is a 135 degree. And if we could kind of stall around here or between 197 and 194, then we'll get another push to $2. And this is when the fun really begins, anywhere between 197 and 204. I'm going to sign out. Actually, even before I sign out, what's my target? 232. Where's that at? 232 right here. Wow. So you're going to go, if it plays out, we're going to go all the way around here to 232. Maybe you can even say 233, but there's a reason why I picked 232. But you're very close to the zero line. So let's see if that's going to play out. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.